Foam rolling through the back portion of your shoulder is going to improve your ability to move your arm overhead, and it's going to decrease your pain. John's going to roll back and forth through this back part of the shoulder, kind of on the shoulder blade. So he's not exactly perpendicular to the foam roller. He's actually kind of angled back a little bit. So then that way he can, I'll show you on this other side of his shoulder, he can get through this whole shoulder blade and kind of right underneath the armpit. But he's going to roll a little bit, and he won't move too much, but just like a little bit back and forth. So toward me and then away from me, just to kind of start to get some of those muscles to loosen up at this back part of the shoulder. These muscles, when they're tight, they push your shoulder head forward, which then will throw off some of your mechanics when you try to bring your arm overhead or when you try to bring it behind you as well. After he rolls through an area for about a minute or so, he's going to keep his elbow bent at 90 degrees, and he's going to try to turn his bicep out. He has some limited external rotation range of motion. He should definitely do this. And then he's going to try to turn that, turn in, so back and forth just like this, because that will serve as an active release for some of these back rotator cuff muscles. This one is one of my most favorite foam rolling routines to do before I practice yoga, actually, because it's a really quick way to improve some of that overhead range of motion. Let us know what your favorite lesser known area is in the comments below.
Thank you for watching.